This model kit review is of the Sukhoi 7, the fitter, and this is a 1/48 scale model by ESCI. And I don't see any other pictures here, so let's have a look inside in our box. So first of all, here we have our canopy. Looks like we also have an instrument panel, which has got some nice detail there. Canopy can be open or closed. This sprue has our fuselage with a lot of surface detail. We have some air brakes. Here we have pretty part of our air intake, our wheel wells, wheels. The wheels are actually molded as solid pieces, but they're kind of offset a little bit, so they're mold lines. And the other wheels. Here on the inside we have some details here. This is hopefully part of our cockpit, looks like it. Here are rocket pods. And this is probably our radar here. And some weapons. And look here at this one, we've got some fuel tanks, fairly well molded, probably a ladder, and our air brakes, part of the engine. Here's our one wing, which has got some very nice surface detail. Here's the other side, the other wing, also same level of detail. Lots of extra little pieces here, different weapon systems. Here are our pylons. And this here looks like other wings here. So we'll have to have a look and see why it is that we have so many. Here are stabilizers and tail, all with some good surface detail. Here are decals, not much detail there at all. So, instructions gives us some of the details there about the Su-7. And we have the colors needed there. And we start off with the, looks like it's probably the ejection seat. Then we put together the wheel well and our air intake. And then we put together the cockpits. And then our engine with our exhausts goes in the back. That all goes inside the fuselage. Then next we put together the wings there, and the tail goes together, air brakes, those are all then glued onto the plane, and we do landing gear, and wheel well covers, those are then glued onto the wings. And now we have the nose wheel well and wheel well covers. We start to put together the different weapon systems, and those are the different options. And then we have a ladder, and then the painting and decal guide here. So all in all, fair level of detail, pretty good molding quality. Decals aren't very good, and we do have some detail here on the wheel well, so fairly good for, especially for an older model.